In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make Steam downloads faster in Windows 11. Okay, so the first thing, you want to go to Google. And first of all, you just want to make sure that you check your internet speed. So type in speed test, and then you want to go ahead and run the speed test. And one thing you can do if you're using Wi-Fi, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you switch to an Ethernet cable. Ethernet cables generally give you a faster speed. Then what you can do is you can go onto Steam, go to the top left and click on the Steam logo, click on settings and then go to downloads. Now where it says download region, you want to make sure that your region is set to the location that is closest to you. So for me it'll be Johannesburg, and then you'll just restart Steam. Okay, and then the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down and you want to go and you can turn this off, allow downloads during gameplay. You can turn that off to speed up the downloads, and then throttle downloads while streaming. You want to make sure that that's toggled off. And then what you can also do is clear the cache. If you're still finding that the downloads are a little bit slow, simply hit clear cache. But the quickest fix is going to be the download region. Make sure that that is set correctly, and most importantly that you're running on an Ethernet cable. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.